Next is 3 cans of orange juice. So there are 4 cans of orange juice out of the 20 total cans. So once we take one of those cans of orange juice out, we only have 3 cans of orange juice left out of 19 total cans. And if we select another one, we only have 2 cans of orange juice left out of 18 total cans. So this is another one where we are subtracting 1 from the numerator and the denominator. And this is equal to 1 over 285. The next one says no apple juice. So there are 6 cans of apple juice, which means 14 out of the 20 are not apple juice. And we're going to multiply that by 13 over 19, and then by 12 over 18. So again, we keep subtracting 1 because we keep selecting cans that are not apple juice. And this is equal to 91 over 285.